Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this here, a DCF887, and I'm going to show you the problem with this one. There's a bit of a mess in the switch, and the way to fix that is quite simply this: electrical contact cleaner. That's the magical spray. Fear is the mind killer. Contact cleaner is a Dewalt saver. So to look inside that, there's a lot of dust. It's mainly around the activator switch is the problem, and sometimes around the brush, this motor. So what I'm going to do is take all that out, everything out, put it into a container full of contact cleaner, clean it all out, spray it all down. So this is what we wanted. We want to clean all that out. Give it a good old good. So this into a white tub here, and the way I've done that is so I can spray it with this contact cleaner and clean it all out and leave it to dry afterwards. Just cleaning out all around the electrical components and especially in around the switch, and if you can, work the switch as well when you're doing this. You can see the dirt that's coming out of that. That's what's causing the trouble. All I have to do now is leave this to dry overnight, and I'll come back to it. This is at a day to dry out now, so I think I'm just going to put it together. That's it, back together now. Just got to test it now. That's pretty much perfect. So that's how you fix one of these if it's experiencing switch issues. There's a longer video I've done last year, and I'll put the link pinned in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up